Well, today, thought I'd give you a little update on what's going on around the shop. I got my ass handed to me this week. Oh yeah, it was a failure this week. So let's flip the camera around and get into it. We've had a heat wave hit us right now that's been 39 degrees for days now, which is, 102 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's kind of tough to work in the heat. And I finally got the 98 Chevy short box dragged into the shop. And I was going to do the header swap. But my game plan was get it running, service it, clean it. Well, it's not running. It seems somebody's been messing with the relays. They had all the relays backwards. The starter relay was backwards with the air conditioner. One's a 5-prong, the other one's a 4-prong. And now the fuel pump's not working. So we got no starty. So I started unbolting headers anyway. That went well. I got all 12 bolts out of the exhaust manifolds. And I have this side of the collectors undone. Someone's put different nuts on the other side and they're all stripped. So I pulled out the torch and I'm out of oxygen. So I put my torch back inside the shop. And I put a big gouge in the side of my jet boat. Yeah, I put a big gouge in my jet boat. And this is all metal flaked and candied, so color matching it is, it's not going to happen. So, while I was doing all of that, you know, wrecking my jet boat and failing on the Chevy, today's my last day. I'm trying to get something done. And I just got a text message and water line's broken, my house is flooding. Yeah, it's one of those weeks. So now I have to close the shop down, go deal with that, and then I'm back up north. So I'm sorry guys, I did not get accomplished what I was hoping to. I really wanted to do a lot of filming, get a lot of stuff done. But it's just one of those weeks and it happens sometimes. You just get a beat down and I have to regroup. I think I need something to eat. I guess I do have some good news. All of the grill and bumper and dash piece that I needed painted for the 49 Ford are finally in paint. I don't know how many months I had to wait for that, but it is done finally. So that means we can assemble this thing finally. You know, on my next days off. Let's go do something else right now. We need to pick me up. We need to go find something fun. Well, I wasn't expecting to be landing in this for fun, but I got to work and I'm driving a 2024 Kenworth that is just beautiful. So I am now filming a review that you guys are going to get next after this video of what it's like to drive a brand spanking new Kenworth. I'll just flick the camera around and give you a little sneak peek. Oh yeah. It's a beauty.